Hello, Thomas Wilderness Life. Day 4, and I have just hiked the trail up to my tent camp. It has been snowing all day, so more or less. So finally it looks like it's getting closer to scooter season, snowmobile season. I'm just gonna see how the tent looks. Still standing, that's positive. No fresh animal tracks around here. Yeah, -1, and at the lodge it was around 0 degrees, so that fits pretty good. So I will have to wipe off some snow before I get inside. Well, I'm finally in the sleeping bag. Had to clean the tent from some snow, and then I had to be very careful not to drag any snow with me into the tent, because now it's 0 degrees and that will become water very fast. And I guess today will be the biggest test of the condensation and ventilation in this tent. I have dried up some ice crystals that have turned into water, or was very close to becoming water. And I have actually opened up a bigger part on the other side. So I tried to get some draft through. And today I am also trying a new base layers. I have been using pure wool these couple of days when it has been cold, and that has really kept me warm. Today I am wearing a thinner one in synthetic material, polyester, and even though it's 0 degrees, I can feel that it feels like it's colder because the clothes is worse. But I think I will get a good night's sleep. Well, good morning. I am very tired today. I could have slept a lot longer. And I can feel that this base layer that I have is really not very good. I just have my arm out of the sleeping bag, and it's not very cold, but it feels cold. So I'm gonna hurry up and get some real clothes on and head back to the lodge to do some work. I don't know why, but this morning I feel very frozen. It according to my phone is only about 1 degree. And I was fine when I was in the sleeping bag, of course, but as soon as I got out, so I got cold. I even dressed laying in the sleeping bag, and I haven't done that the other mornings when it's been really cold. So, and now it takes a while for me to warm up, so I will hit the trail back to the lodge pretty fast now, so I can build up some heat. See. Back at the lodge, completing day 4. Only 26 to go, so ironically the first day I freeze, first day I struggle getting out of my sleeping bag and putting on my clothes and hurrying up to get back on the trail to the lodge is the warmest morning. So anyway, I have slept really good. I don't think I have woken up one single time. And yeah, I had the exact right balance in the sleeping bag, but it was the second I got out. Now I'm going to go inside, get some coffee and start working. So tune in for day 5 to see what happens. Later.